Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome won't open problem like in Windows 10 when you try to open Google Chrome, or in other windows, like sometime it don't open, it take too much time to get open. In comments I have been getting messages like it's not working. So I have done some research and I came up with new solutions for that. One of the guy here, Eric, who showed this way to delete chrome.dll. So this work for many of you, but there are some chances like you don't see chrome.dll. I'll show you how to find it out. Thank you, Eric, for your contribution. For that, you just need to click on your Google Chrome, click properties, go copy this path, copy it here and open, go in folder and paste there and open that part. Now you can see I don't have chrome.dll here, so in that cases, if you have that chrome.dll, you just delete it. What it does, it just reset all your settings in Chrome, so it don't affect much, but like it just reset the things. So in my case, I have two accounts in my Chrome. So you can see there are two accounts here. One is this one and another one is this one. When you open this account, you can find chrome.dll here. See, chrome.dll, you can delete this, and there's another account, chrome.dll, you can delete this as well to reset your Chrome. So this is how it is. And to make things clear, like I'll show you, I have two accounts here. See this baby and tech, so there are two accounts I'm using. So I'll make a video how to make 2-3 accounts in Chrome. So for now you can do this and your problem will get solved. There's another way you can do it. If you are in Windows 7, Windows 8, just go in run and type cmd, and you have to open command prompt, right click and open it as administrator. When you open it as administrator, you will get this command prompt, and now you just have to type a command, netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. What this command will do, it will reset your network adapter. When you hit enter, and you have to restart it. After hitting enter, you have to restart your computer. When you restart your computer and come back, you try to open Chrome, it will work fine, because if there's a problem with your network adapter, it will fix that problem. Hope this video helps you out, guys. Do like and subscribe my channel, that helps me a lot. And I love your comments. Please put your comments here.